Today we're going to show you how to change the battery on a black universal garage door keypad, a simple maintenance task that can save you from lockouts and keypad errors. Start by opening the top cover of the keypad to access the inside components, then locate the battery compartment, which is usually protected by a small sliding cap or cover. Carefully slide the cover open and gently remove the battery from the compartment, taking care not to pull or strain any of the wires. Slowly disconnect the snap connector from the old battery by pulling it straight off. This type of keypad typically uses a standard 9-volt battery, so once you have a fresh replacement ready, lining it up is straightforward. Match the male and female snap connectors, then flip the battery if needed until the connectors align properly. Press the battery onto the snap connector until it feels snug and secure, making sure the connection is tight. Place the battery back into the compartment, carefully guiding the wires so they're not pinched or jammed between the sliding parts. Close the battery compartment cover fully, then test the keypad by pressing a few buttons to confirm it powers on and responds correctly. Once everything is working as it should, your keypad is ready to be mounted back onto the wall and used normally.